Sobrang ganda ng ginagalaw nila kasi sobrang happy kasi the goal is yung mga bata namin, the younger teammates, nakapasok sila. So that's the goal and happy kami. Yun lang. Sobrang ganda ng ginagalaw nila kasi kami yung nasa kabila, kami yung first six. So sila yung opposing team namin every nag-training, naglalaro, and sobrang ganda ng natutulong nila sa amin kasi minimimic din nila yung kabilang teams kung sino yung kalaban namin. Hello PVL fans! Please continue to support us, Petrogas Angels, in our upcoming games. Watch our game live on pvl.ph.